Hi, my name's Katie, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to use Google Drive in Google Docs. The first thing you need to do is log onto your computer and pull up Google. Once you get to Google, if you have a Google account, go ahead and click your name. And this will bring you to Google Plus. If you don't have a Google Plus, you're going to need to go and sign up for Google Plus. And when you click your name up here at the top, it'll little box will come down and it will ask you to add to Google Plus. It will ask you for your name and a couple, you could upload a picture and a couple facts, and then you could get a Google Plus. But I already have a Google Plus account up here, so I'm going to click on my name, and then I'm going to go to the little apps box right here, and I'm going to go down to Google Drive. And click Google Drive. Now, Google Drive is where you access your Google documents. So this is new. I haven't used Google Drive before, so I don't have any Google documents except for the demo right here that shows me how to get started with Google Drive. Google Drive is basically like a USB port that you can access from any computer. You can sign on to Google any computer, and you can access these files anywhere in the world. So first I kind of want to go over like the basic things. So this button right here is their grid view. So if you had multiple documents, the documents would show up here and here and here. I don't have any, so it's just one. You can look at it as a grid. You can look at it in like a file type down by down like this. The next thing is how you sort your documents. You can sort them by last modified, last edited by me, last opened by me, or the name. And then right here is the information. So Google Docs is really cool because you can share your documents with other people. They can help you edit it. It's great for group projects. So right here in the details, this will tell you who else has looked at your documents, who's commented on them, who has edited them, and that way you're up to date and you know, I guess, the latest status of your document. So now we've kind of go over like the basic features. I want to teach you how to make a Google document and to make a folder so you can keep your documents in order and in a neat fashion. So I'm going to do new, and I'm going to make a new folder first. So I'm going to make a folder for this class, so I'm going to go ahead and click on folder. I'm going to name it Kanice 205, create. So then here's my folder right here, and then whatever documents I have for this class that I want to go into that folder, I'm going to drag them and put them in that folder. So now that I have a folder, and you see how to do that, it's really easy. I'm going to show you how to make a document. So I'm going to go new again, scroll down to Google Docs. Google Docs is like the equivalent to Microsoft Word. Google Sheets is the equivalent to Excel, and then Google Slides is like the equivalent to what PowerPoint would be. But for this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and do just a plain old Google document. So I'm going to click Google Docs, and it's going to come up. As you notice, this is formatted very similar to Microsoft Word. I mean, almost exactly like, so it should be easy to use, shouldn't be a lot of problems. Once the document's opened up, I'm going to go ahead and start. You can go ahead and start typing. For this tutorial, I'm simply going to type my name and class that I'm in. So, Katie Repley Kanice 205. Period. And as you'll notice at the top, it's saving. Up here it says saving, and it says all changes have been saved in Drive. Unlike Microsoft Word, Google Docs automatically saves your work every couple of seconds. I believe this feature is extremely useful and should be adopted by Microsoft Word. So this prevents, your computer crashes and you didn't save your document. Well, with Google Docs, it saves it every couple of seconds, so this would eliminate any problems. So just like Microsoft Word, you have some features up at the top. You could print straight from here. You can undo your typing. You can redo it, paint, format, the whole 9 yards. You have the toolbox up at the top, kind of same thing. File. I can move it to the folder I created. I could view it different ways. I could put a picture in here if I want. So it's very, table. It's very, very similar to Microsoft Word. The big difference though is that once you're done creating your document, you can share it with anybody you want, and they can help make changes, comment on it, like I said. So I'm going to show you how to share it. You're going to go up here to the share at the top, so top right corner, right under your name. You're going to click share, and then you're going to give, before you can share, just like an email, you should probably title it. So I'm going to title it, you know, Kanice 205, let's say introduction, intro. You can skip this step, but I like to let the people I know that I'm sending it to kind of generally what's it about. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then from there, you can pick the people you want to send it to. I'm going to send it, for this tutorial, I'm going to send it to myself. I'm going to send it to myself, and maybe I'll send it to my mom. Oh, well, for now I'll send it to myself. I'll add more people. I'll send one to my mom too. Okay, so now this just shows you can send to more than one person at a time, and then I'm going to add a note. So experimenting. Whoops. Whatever, with Google Docs. And then I'm going to go ahead and go up to the top, and I'm going to toggle the link and enable it. And this, I'm going to make sure you can go down here and you can put anyone with the link can edit it, anyone with the link can comment, anyone with the link can view. I'm going to go ahead and put anyone with the link can edit it. It's also, so that's just talking about the link. This is talking about the actual document. So make sure you do both. You select what you want for both, and I'm going to do anyone can edit it as well. So once I go down, I'm done with that. I'm going to go ahead and hit send. So up here at the top, it's informed me that I've shared this with 2 people. So I've shared with 2 people. So now I want to go back and I want to start editing it, you know, whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my email. Well, right here first, I'll notice right here that here's my document right here. But I'm going to go to my email to show you as if you were sent to Google Doc. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to ULL. I'm going to click. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my password in real quick. Not now. And it should pop up. So right here, I got an email from myself, Kanice 205 intro. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. It's going to give me instructions down here. You know, Katie Repley has invited you to edit the following document, Kanice 205 intro. So experimenting with Google Docs. So I'm going to go ahead and open in Docs. And then, as you see, here's what I previously typed. Then when I click right here, so for instance, my name's going to come out in green. And let's say I like what she's done, but I think you should put Katie, or maybe she should put, I am a student at ULL, period. So when I type that, it's going to come up in green to show the original author of the work that it's a different person's edited. So that's just me editing. I can also add a comment. So I'm going to go up here. Oh, whoops. Editing. I can do a suggestion, I guess it is. Hold on one sec. Uh-oh. So as I was talking about, you can add a comment. So you're gonna click on comments up here, add comment, and then I could say something like, nice job, Katie. Add more background information and comment, and then it will show it on the side in green, you know, and all my changes are saved. Then I could share this, and I could share it with someone else, you know, the whole 9 yards. So I'm going to be done, and then if you go back to your Google Drive, you should be able to click on it, and it should have the edits that were made that you can see here. So that's pretty much sums up the Google tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it, and that's it. Thank you very much.